It's a 2018 Honda Odyssey. You have responsibilities. That's why you have an Odyssey. You like to have fun. That's why you drive a Honda. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.